Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you the latest and coolest gadgets. Today, I am beyond excited to present to you the much-awaited unboxing of the OnePlus Ace 2 Pro. Before we dive into the contents of this sleek and powerful device, let's take a moment to appreciate the incredible design OnePlus has crafted for us. I've always been a fan of their attention to detail, and the Ace 2 Pro is no exception. With its premium build quality and elegant aesthetic, it truly feels like a flagship device. All right, it's time to unveil the OnePlus Ace 2 Pro. As I slowly lift the lid, anticipation builds up. Ah, there it is, the stunning device itself, rested comfortably inside the box, eagerly waiting to be explored. Just look at this beauty. The OnePlus Ace 2 Pro comes in a vibrant range of colors that are eye-catching and truly unique. As soon as I pick up the Ace 2 Pro, I can feel its solid build and premium materials. OnePlus has always been known for providing a comfortable user experience, and this device is no exception. Its ergonomic design ensures that it effortlessly fits in your hand, making it a joy to hold. Now let's talk about the display. The Ace 2 Pro features a stunning AMOLED display with vibrant colors, deep blacks, and excellent viewing angles. Whether you're gaming, watching videos, or simply browsing, this display brings your content to life. Moving on to the camera setup, OnePlus has once again stepped up their game. The OnePlus Ace 2 Pro boasts a versatile triple camera system that captures breathtaking photos and videos. The best part? It's equally impressive in low-light conditions, allowing you to unleash your creativity no matter the time of day. Under the hood, the Ace 2 Pro is powered by the latest flagship processor, ensuring smooth multitasking and blazing fast performance. With ample storage and generous RAM, you won't have to worry about storage or lag while running your favorite apps or games. In addition to its stunning design and impressive specs, OnePlus also never fails to deliver when it comes to software. The Ace 2 Pro runs on the Oxygen OS, which is known for its clean and user-friendly interface. With regular updates and optimizations, you can expect a fast and reliable software experience. Before wrapping up this unboxing, let's quickly talk about the accessories included. OnePlus has included everything you need, from the fast charger that juices up your device in no time, to the sleek and durable protective case that shields your phone from everyday wear and tear. And there you have it, folks. The OnePlus Ace 2 Pro, a truly remarkable device that combines stunning design, powerful performance, and an exceptional user experience. If you're on the hunt for a new flagship smartphone, this one should definitely be on your radar. Thank you for joining me in this unboxing video. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel to stay updated with the latest tech reviews.